So the internet is filled up with the 3D websites, but then no one on the internet is talking about the websites that will actually bring business. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a real estate website with CMS, which not only looks good, but also able to present and bring leads for you. And that's too we will build in a single prompt. Just a small promo. If you are a business and you're looking for high converting website without any hassle, then do reach out to me on my email or book a call with me. Now coming back to topic, this is the real estate website that I've been talking about. So this is our hero section, and if we scroll down, here we have this carousel, and here in carousel, each card have their individual page and their listing. And whenever we click on any card, it will show us a listing page like this, where every details of this property is listed. If we come back and directly go to manage route of this URL, we will just go to manage route, and in manage route we have all the listings that are being listed on the home page. And as you can see, we can edit them too. If I click on edit listing, it will give its all data here, and now I can easily edit the data about this listing, and even add multiple images and change the description and whatever I want to do. And if I need to make a new listing, then I will just refresh this page, and now I can add my new listing here. I will add property name, location, price, and whatever, and then I will just have to click this button and the property will be added. Now let's come to the building part of this website. So to build this CMS website, we will use this prompt that I have specifically made for this video. So what you have to do is you have to just click on this copy entire master prompt, and once you copied, it will copy the whole prompt in your clipboard. And you can see it is a too long prompt. So go to your coding agent, any of them, Codex, Claude, Anti-Gravity, and just paste it here and just say build, and hit enter. Let me change the model to effort light, and now it will start building it. So it will take a while. So it took a bit while, but the Codex has generated the whole website for us. Let's have a look. So if I go to here, it is almost similar to the previous website, because it is because both are made on the same prompt. And to be honest, if you want some changes, you can simply give the command to your coding agent, and AI will do the rest for you. And that's it for today's video. If you want this prompt, then just comment under this video prompt, and I will send you the link.